So now you find an escape from the bullying. You find an escape through music.
Yes, I do.
What were you doing? Were you writing music? Were you imitating somebody you were seeing on TV or you were hearing on radio? What was happening?
I used to imitate Rihanna a lot. I used to imitate, who is this, Celine Dion. I started singing ka-matric, but nakhona bengacela ukuthi ngicula nje like ngaphandle. Bengicula klasini. And my English teacher, she found out ukuthi okay, I can sing. Azama ukungibeka phambi kwey'ngane ukuthi angicule, like I would be shaking and everything because angisajwayele, you know. So yeah, and then up until I started writing my own music, which I think it didn't make sense because I was still practicing this thing yokubhala.
Okay.
Wow. So yeah, music all the way.
What's your favorite South African artist?
You mean right now?
Right. Let's talk about right now.
Okay, I love okay, I'm a big fan of Java. Let me put it out there. Yes, I feel like he's like, I don't know, the best, actually. The best. I love
his writing, the lyrical skills.
Yeah, and I also love umculo owenziwa Mahu because it's ngathini, spiritual, and you know, like everything that she sings about, you know. So and I recently just saw I posted izolo on TikTok, and then she was like to my father who left me when I was 1 year old, you know, uthini la ukhona ke manje mase ngila. I was like, wow, now that explains it, you know.